Hello and welcome to day 7 of Vlogmas. It is just a very quick weekend update because I have guests coming in. We have to head to the airport and then we're gonna go to the racetrack this evening and see, oh, they call it Peppermint Parkway, but it's a big light show. It's fun, and if you pay for it, you get to drive on the racetrack, which is what we're really excited about. First of all, thank you so much for all your comments yesterday about my red lipstick. I dug out the very last dregs of this Gucci one to see. Guys, I really do like it better, and you're right, I should treat myself. This maybe will end up in my stocking. So this week, what have I gotten accomplished? I have gotten 10 of these mats, which I've shown before. Completed and bound. Again, thank you so much to Kim, and I will link Kim's Instagram down below. So these were fun. They just go on and on. And if you were paying attention, yes, that's only 9 because Kim already took hers home. Okay, what else? I got all of my next artist project started and all of those fused. That's what I'm going to be working on probably while the race is on tomorrow and the guys are watching it. I got 3 quilts almost completed, and I have my patented sliding quilt system with me today. So, quilt number 1, bound and complete. Very nice. Oh my goodness. That's the one I did the tutorial on about EQ8 and AccuQuilt. And I will link anything I can below, any videos. The next quilt was flannel that I had gotten as a gift that was given to me when someone was destashing. I just cut it into strips and made it into this baby quilt. I machine bound that one with my triple zigzag stitch, which I will show you in an upcoming video. Thank you. Oh, it's nice to have my quilt system back. Alright, and then this quilt I'm still working on binding. Be careful, sweetie. There's probably a needle in it, right where that clip is.
Clip's on the other side.
Okay. No injuries on the job. I don't pay for hazard insurance.
Not yet, at least.
Alright. This is the Anne of Green Gables quilt. Oh, and it's coming out so beautifully. I'm really enjoying hand binding it. 2 sides down and 2 to go.
Quilt is too big to hold up.
Is it? And then I've also been working on hand quilting on the diamond strings quilt. You may not be able to see, but since I didn't have my sliding quilt system with me when I showed you the first time, I thought we'd show it. I think it turned out really cute. I really love the colors and all the variations of gray. But I am, here, I'm gonna stand right there for a minute. Thank you. I will quilt in the color sections with a matching or coordinating thread, and then I will quilt in the black and gray sections. Probably right here I'll do the color, extend that a bit, and then black and gray through the rest of it. Thank you. Thank you so much to my patented sliding quilt system. Man, I'm out of practice. Usually I have really good notes too today. Guys, this is quick and dirty. We're on the back of an envelope. That's what we got. Thank you so much, dear. Daisy barks at my son. Tomorrow I'm being interviewed by Sean at The Guy Who Sews. I'll link his channel down below, and as soon as his Christmas creator collaboration, what is it called? Christmas creator roundup. It'll go up on Christmas Day, I believe, or Christmas Eve. As soon as it's live, I'll be sure and post a link in the community tab and in the description box. This week, I have my holiday bee party. I have 2 interviews for later in the month. I have maybe a quilt shop tour. And I know that I will be doing more hand quilting, and I will finish that binding. But I also hope to get 2 more quilts on and off the long arm, so I am going to be binding for the foreseeable future. But that's okay, because I really don't mind it. I don't like applying it. A lot of you guys said you hated binding. I don't like wrestling the quilt through the sewing machine, but I do enjoy the hand stitching. I think that is it. In the bins behind me here, I have several 3-yard quilt kits pulled together, and I might get up to those if the week allows. But I'm not going to kill myself. I just really, really want to move through those and get them to charities, and it will tie into the interviews and some future Vlogmas projects. Let's see, notes. Oh, I have a guest this weekend, one of our very best friends, and so I am moving my patron Zoom call from the regularly scheduled second Sunday, which is tomorrow. I'm moving it to December the 15th. You should have gotten an email about it if you are a patron. If you are not yet a patron and would like to be, there's a link down below. You can come hang out with us on Zoom. It is one of my very, very favorite things to do. Highlight of my month. I don't think I've forgotten anything, and if I have, I'll be back tomorrow. So it's no big thing. But I hope you don't forget that you make the world more beautiful just by being in it. I'm Amy, and I'll see you next time.